Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
MLA ke BJP na South Shillong ba Sanbor Shulai mentakan lai putri melitung arajar arway ula ong bakam dan jing peri ya komu menteri ban pet ya kenu Tnad namar baka kamram kelong chakri pat ba ajela habai keren mentak sengi syakilat sai kubor ba Sanbor ula ong ba habadan kementerian menteri pat ba tu Biang subha ya kenu Tnad bala pensyat komu menteri laban kedo ba Sanbor bala mi bujili hakacakau ba AL hack Ulayo pan pet ya Tnad rijingri, Tnad pendek riti, Tnad patok, Tnad nong bela, bat ke pasport.
Examine since I have taken over as the new labor minister. So, like I have said, on Monday I'm calling the officer, then I will examine what is the problem. Then accordingly, at the level of my department and the officer will have to give justice to the beneficiaries. As a member also, once you have joined the party, you have to work sincerely. Even as a member, I remember myself when I was very young, as a mere member of the HPU also, I worked more than MLA. 24 hours I work, and in 1988 we have created a record in Laban Constituency that late Ban Tilinda was elected because due to our hard work as the first Khasi MLA representing the 22nd Laban Constituency. As a mere I have not even enrolled officially in the paper, like that only. As a resident of the constituency, I walk 24 hours, and he won, and we create the record. So like this will be example for everybody, not to think for their personal interest. You have to think for the interest of the party, for the public, for the general public, for the state. For 2.5 years. I said I don't mind, let them go 2.5 years, and the remaining period I will take over. So at the time, 2-3 of my core committee members, they called me, they said, please come to us. So I went, they said that nowadays you should sign an agreement. When you have agreed with that, you have to sign an agreement. But I told them no need, because we feel awkward. How do we direct the union minister to say, okay, let us sign the agreement? So on good faith, on verbal commitment, so I said okay. I said no need, since they have given the leaders, they have given a commitment, so we stick to that 2.5 years. That too I'm not aware about that, because I don't think that any step taken by either by the central leadership or by the state leadership that concerned elected members will not be informed. I think it is informed only. No, the question of infighting should not be there, because as a disciplined party, it doesn't mind when I'm in now, I'm out before, and maybe next I may be out or somebody may be in. It doesn't mean that we are concerned only for a share, because as per the constitution of the party, first we have to work for the interest of the party and the people. Yesterday, notification for allotment of portfolio has been published. I must express my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister, who have entrusted me with the portfolio of animal husbandry, then labor, and prison, and what else? Agriculture. So from Monday, I will review all this department. I'll call all the officers, and accordingly, I will have to study all the files. Then where is the problem? Especially the labor department is a very important department concerning the interests of the poor people, the laborers. There are schemes which has to be provided by the government. So this is also very important. First, this will be the first issue which I'm going to take up on Monday with the concerned officer. So I will see how to help, because justice should be as per the Constitution of India, as per the rules and regulation, as enshrined in the English rules of the government, of the civil government. Justice should be given to the genuine beneficiaries. That too will not I will not compromise.
So now we have seen the Angela.
Actually, this too I have seen that she have taken up this issue where she have sit alone also in the main secretariat. So since I'm not so much acquainted with all this thing, what we have seen only in the newspaper, have demand, and I don't know also what destination she's holding for the laborers, whether she's the president of the laborers or not, I don't know yet. But like I have said earlier, I will call the officer and I will see that if it is genuine that we have to give or disburse this money to all the genuine laborers as enshrined in the rules, so each one of them will be getting at par, justice will be done, and direct whatever money that they are supposed to get, it will go direct to their account.
No, because according to Kong Angela, she said like all the people who deserve to get this, they have registered. They have not received the money yet.
Let me say, on Monday I'm calling all the officers, then only I will know what is the ground reality, what is the problem here and there, I will know.
So now from your statement we can
I'm not satisfied anything. Once you work for the public, not for anything else. You work for the benefit of the public at large, for the benefits of the people of the state in general, not for other else.